you are losing your data as a result of a wrong SQL query and you don't even know about it. Yes, I'm talking about using the inner join as a default join instead of using the left join in your SQL query. As a result, what happens that silently you start losing the data without even knowing about it, because your query generates no bug and it runs fine, and the numbers are almost matchable, but they don't actually match the correct value. Why silently? Because as a result of using default inner join in the beginning, so it is only getting the matching results, and you are actually losing the unmatched rows from your data. And this happens actually without either understanding the difference between the joins or without understanding the business question that is being asked. I'm going to show you guys an example to make you better understand that how results could dramatically change if you use the wrong join. So I'm going to give you guys an example here with the help of SQL query. First of all, the business question that is being asked is that show me all the customers, even those with no orders. So I have two tables. One is customer and the other is orders. So I'm going to match based on the customer ID and I'm going to join them both. I'm going to use two queries here. And one is the left join and the other is the inner join. So you can see over here that when I use the left join, the total number of rows I have in my data, basically a single rows represent a single customer. So I have the total number of customers with also those customers with no orders is 32,166. And when I use the left join, the matching customers who have matched actually, and there is no there is no missing and these are the customers with no orders who have actually ordered. So you can see that our count is 31,465. So because we understood the business requirement quite well, so we always wanted to calculate the total numbers of count. But when we see the inner join, we dramatically see that the total number of results that we are getting are only 31,000. So which means that almost we have 700 rows missing from our data. So we can see that when we use the left join to calculate the total number of customers, we get the higher value, which is the correct number. And when we use the inner join, actually we get the results which are 2% less than the actual results. So it can create a huge chaos going forward in the longer run. I hopefully it will help you out in your future analysis. So that always keep in mind that you have to first understand the business question, and then you have to use the joins accordingly whenever you are going to merge your data sets together. So that is something I hope it will help you out. Thank you.